لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بلغوا عني ولو آية. Good evening everyone, honorable chief guests, esteemed teachers and my fellow students. It's an honor to stand in front of you on this special occasion. The annual day of our English schools. From now, we are members of Al-Aziz Academy at Al-Jamiatul Islamiyah Aziz Ulum Bahunawar as well. Today, we celebrate not only our achievements but also the power of language in shaping our future. English is more than just a subject. It's a bridge that connects us to the world. It opens doors to knowledge, opportunities, and cultural understanding. Throughout this course, we have improved our communication skills, built confidence, and explored the beauty of literature, writing, and inspiration. A heartfelt thank you. You have dedicated teachers. You have guided us with patience and passion. Your approach have made learning enjoyable and inspiring. As we move forward, let us continue to learn, read, and experience ourselves fearlessly. Language is a powerful tool, and by mastering it, we can inspire, lead, and create a better future. Let this annual day remind us of how far we have come and motivate us to keep growing. Congratulations to all students for your hard work and progress. Thank you and enjoy the celebrations. Assalamu alaikum.